Hi my dear students, this is Vasanthwal Reyes, founder and director of Shrestha Education and Charitable Trust and Institute of Learning Sindanur. Today I would like to discuss one of the topic that was included in program specialization pathway in DTE syllabus, that is transportation engineering. As we already know, it is a subdiscipline in the field of civil engineering and it deals with application of technology and with scientific principles. Without transportation engineering, we can't get a perfect structure for anything like roads, highways, and everything. We can't get a perfect structure without transportation engineering. I am going to the main content of the video. What we can train you in the period of transportation engineering is everything whatever included in the DT syllabus, or we can say in the C20 syllabus, whatever included in the relevant field of transportation engineering, everything we are going to cover. And then skills required for transportation engineering and design softwares whatever included in the syllabus, and everything we are going to train you accordingly. And then all laboratory tests whatever included in the syllabus, we are going to cover that also. Laboratory test means highway test, CC roads, and everything, for example, like that, etc. And for everything, whatever included in the laboratory tests, and everything we are going to cover it. And then pavement tests and pavement analysis, and then estimation for road transportation, and then BOQ, and everything we are going to cover. And then estimation or project report preparation or project preparation for any project whatever included in the relevant field of transportation engineering. And intelligent transportation system, sustainable transportation system, and subgrade soil analysis and techniques. These are the topics we are going to cover in the period of transportation engineering. And then what are the softwares what we can train you in the period of internship is for highway geometric design and MX road and Autodesk Civil 3D. Second one, traffic study and simulation, data from Sky and Visim. These are the two softwares. And pavement design, Can Pave and IIT Pave, and these are the two softwares. And then lastly, AutoCAD and everything longitudinal sections, cross sections, and section, plan, elevation, we are going to cover in this software fields. This is one of the mode of internship, that is subject called as transportation engineering. It was included in the program specialization part. Thank you. And another important thing I would like to discuss here, if you want this internship means, we offer in the two modes. The two modes are, first one in the institute itself called Institute of Learning. It is our institute. In this Institute of Learning, how we will get training means there are two periods. First one is there is 6 months, and then second one 13th week that was included in the DT syllabus, means 1 week of internship or 1 week of project period. And in this, what we are going to train you is, in the institute means you will get the benefits of, there are digitalized classrooms with the projector wheel classes, and then high-end systems with the high-end softwares also, and then relevant field softwares installed in our systems, and then director's cabin to have face-to-face. Any if you have any doubts means you can clear with me to face-to-face, and then online services you will get from reception, and then accommodation facility for boys and as well girls. We do have hostel facility and then PG facility also. Or if you want, you can stay in the room. That will also we will provide accordingly. And these are the benefits what you can take in the institute for internship. And second mode is in the college itself. In the college means we will only directly come to your college and we will only train you there in your classrooms. with a projector we can train you in your classrooms only, and then every equipment we will only bring, and we will only train you there, because as we have trained 49 plus colleges in the past earlier days, we have completed 3,500 plus students in the Karnataka, and in the so many colleges I have given internships and job placements also, and then 2,500 plus students in the online stream of internship, as we can call, that is as industrial training for civil engineers, or we can call implant training also. You can get in the college itself, and everything I have trained in the college only. Now only we are going to offer in the institute itself. These are the two options one individual can select in the two modes of internship. One is institute and second one is in the college. Benefits of taking internship from our institute, or we can say from our company, what are the benefits we can offer is: first one, complete practical oriented teaching and complete practical oriented atmosphere. And then second one, you will get everything practical knowledge regarding to the relevant field of specialized pathway. And third one, report and project report, everything you will get. And fourth one, job placement, this is assured job placement. And fifth one, ISO certificate and institute government approved certificate that you will get from AICTE New Delhi board. And sixth one, career counseling after internship. Seventh point, mention software training and software creep. Absolutely, we will provide after the period of internship. And then we will provide absolutely 26 plus videos in the online, as we have designed platform in the online itself. You will get 26 plus videos about industrial knowledge for civil engineers. And the ninth one, 17 plus videos of implant training you will get in the online only. And then next, we will offer oral communication skills and interpersonal skills and how to speak in English, how to face interview. We will provide life skills training, 9 plus videos. It is also absolutely free. These are the benefits you will get when you have enrolled for the internship of any specialization pathway from our institute. Thank you, my dear students. This is Vasant Walter AS.